Welcome to BLVD.com. If you've currently got a Toyota Sienna with a check engine light on, today we're going to discuss what's a very good chance of how you're going to fix that. These vehicles have become very advanced with lots of modules for just about every aspect of it. So your vehicle starting battery is extremely important. On the Toyota Sienna Hybrid, that battery is located in the right rear passenger side quarter panel. These batteries need to be at the top 95 percentile of their charge, otherwise the vehicle will start to trigger fault lights. So in this case, we knew we had a bad battery, we replaced that. Once we started the vehicle back up, we have all these check engine lights and other lights appearing. In this case, we were able to do a scan, and whenever we have a low voltage issue, we need to scan the vehicle, determine what those codes are, and in most cases, we need to simply clear the codes when we know that we just replaced the battery. These codes are just simply detecting here, as an example, our brake system control module, voltage was low, therefore that kicked on one of our lights. So in this case, again, the solution was very simple. Let's replace the battery. Let's clear all the codes, start the vehicle, no codes will remain. If you have a Toyota Sienna with a check engine light, or you have a Toyota Sienna that currently battery needs to be replaced, located either at BLVD.com. They'll get the proper battery in and out of that, replace it with a new one, and ultimately scan it and clear any codes pertaining to the low voltage that maybe were caused from the low or dead battery. Located either at BLVD.com, have a link directly in the description over to the website.